Hi everyone, this is a quick do-it-yourself video. It's not a Christian video, but it helps us all. Now the other day, this is about super glue, and the other day I got this little amethyst keychain, which is now broken, out. I bought it in England. I thought, oh, I'll pop that on my keys. And I was out there 5 minutes, dropped it on the ground on the concrete at home on the way to the car, and it cracked. And I thought, right, great. And that's because it's really thin, you know, it's not like it's really thick. And it's crystal, so it, you know, quartz is a crystal, so an amethyst is a quartz crystal. So I thought, oh no. So what I did was with bare hands and just holding it like this, like a silly person, I think I held it like that. I got super glue and tried to glue them together. And I was watching videos the other day about super glue, and I learnt that if you put a little bit of bicarbonate of soda, sprinkle a little fine bit onto whatever it is you're fixing, and then drop on the liquid of the super glue, and it bonds straight away, the bicarbonate of soda goes really hard and is pretty permanent stick, right? So I did that, and then of course when I stuck it together, it was just out of whack enough on that side that it was sharp, and I thought, okay. But what happened also at the same time was, as I was holding it with my hands, I got super glue on my fingers, right? Got those two and my thumb. So, and it was all sort of around my fingertips. Oh no, and I immediately looked on YouTube to find out how to get this stuff off. The other thing is that chain there was stuck in a straight line with super glue, and I had super glue on the crystal. So I looked up, people use acetone, and they have they use, what was it, acetone and something else. I tried vinegar and I've got a bit of old nail polish, not that I'd use nail polish, but I had a little bit in an old bottle. Tried that on my hands. Lemon juice was another one. So I tried everything. Kitchen detergent. I've got a cat yelling, just ignore that. And really good timing. So none of those things really worked, and then I realised that saliva, yep, good old saliva, mother's first aid kit. Not that I'm a mother, but still, I saw something once years and years ago. Mother's first aid kit was saliva. Lick it, you know, kiss it better, lick it better. Whatever it was, put some saliva on it and it's all better. So anyway, saliva is an enzyme, full of enzymes. Course, because it's part of the first part of our digestive tract. So, and I knew that, so I immediately just sucked my finger, not like a baby, but I just sort of scraped my teeth on my fingers, and with the saliva and the super glue just started coming off straight away. So I did my thumb and fingers, and within a few minutes I'd picked it all off. And so then I just got this out just now, and so the chain was stuck in a straight line with super glue. Now it's back to being a chain, and I got the super glue off the outside of the crystal. I've only just, and to crack it open I just put some saliva and I just put it on my fingers, on my couple of fingers, or on one finger, and just dribble some on, and the enzymes do the work. And so that was stuck hard, and I just put some saliva on each side on my finger, and then just sort of cracked it, and it popped straight off just now. And it's got the you can see it's still got the remnants of the super glue, which is kind of looks like and the bicarbonate of soda, slightly white, so on each side. And I'm just going to put a bit of saliva on that and just pick it off. And I just picked it off. You can pick it off. I use chopsticks, good for a lot of things because it won't scratch anything, or just scratch it off with your fingernail. Anyway, there's all the little bits that I got off, just to prove it. I've only just done it just now, and they're the little bits of super glue that all just sort of came off because they're kind of crystalline, and the saliva just completely dissolves it off. So I'm going to just get to work and finish this off and then glue it back together with something correctly. Super glue is pretty dangerous stuff, and people get it on themselves and think, how do I get this off? It's pretty scary, and it feels weird on your fingers too. You kind of lose all feeling because your senses have been covered up, your nerves. So there you go, that's my little tip for the day. Good old saliva, we've all got it, and because it's full of enzymes, the enzymes do the work, and you can do so many things if you just put a bit of spit on it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care, bye bye.